Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best cordless electric ratchet wrenches in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cordless electric ratchet wrenches that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus cordless ratchet. Being a manufacturer specializing in cordless power tools, Ryobi shouldn't have a problem making a good electric ratchet. And judging by what it has to offer, its 18-1 plus model lives up to the expectations. With 35 feet lbs of torque and a maximum speed of 230 RPM, it's powerful and fast enough for most jobs. Although many users prefer devices made out of metal, the rugged plastic housing proves to be quite durable. Moreover, the middle section is very ergonomic, making handling easier and more comfortable than most. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus ratchet is the only one here that comes without the battery, only available as a separate unit. However, the fact that batteries are interchangeable with other Ryobi tools could be a big upside for some users. That being said, the battery's shape and placement make the bottom part quite bulky, which can be a problem in tight spaces. Still, a unique rotating head with 4 positions makes up for this shortcoming to some extent. Moreover, the Ryobi features a LED light and a very competitive 3-year warranty. On the whole, it's a perfect and affordable choice for amateur and DIY users, especially given its very affordable price tag. Moving on at number 4. We have the Makita RW01 R1 12 volts Max CXT Cordless Ratchet Kit. Makita is another reputable cordless tool manufacturer, renowned among all those who work with power tools on a daily basis. Its experience of building capable and reliable tools is something that spans more than a century. With the RW01 model, Makita aims at mechanics and builders looking for a versatile electric ratchet. The maximum torque of 35 feet lbs sets it among the more powerful units on this list. Meanwhile, the variable and easy-to-control output speed, which goes up to 800 RPM, ensures fast and precise fastening of bolts and nuts. Users who spend a lot of their time working with long threads may find it quite helpful. However, the availability of 2 interchangeable anvils is what really sets it apart. With a 1/4 in drive for smaller sockets and 3/8 in for larger ones, it's easy to find the best combination, not to mention that you'll also save yourself the hassle of having to buy 2 different electric ratchets. Another distinctive feature of this ratchet is the ability to tighten bolts by hand while the power is off. It can prove quite worthy in certain situations, such as starting a thread or tightening bolts by feel. The only notable shortcomings include the weight that exceeds 5 pounds and an unusual battery design. Its elongated shape makes the whole assembly a bit bulky, which can be an issue when working in tight spaces. Still, with no other flaws worth mentioning, this is a cordless ratchet that does a great job covering all the bases. At number 3, we have the ACDelco ARW1201 G12 series 12 volts cordless Li-ion ratchet wrench toolkit. The G12 series from ACDelco shows that a powerful electric ratchet doesn't have to be heavy or bulky. With an output torque that goes up to 57 feet lbs, this is the most powerful model on this list. It's specially designed for heavy-duty applications, such as working on suspension or drivetrain components. Meanwhile, the durable aluminum housing also helps it to be lighter than most, weighing slightly above 3 pounds. Maneuvering in tight spaces is also easy, thanks to a clever design that makes the whole ratchet quite slim and compact. Nonetheless, with a maximum output speed of just 160 RPM, this cordless ratchet is not among the fastest on this list. Still, this is not something that may represent a problem for most users. Unless you are working as a rally mechanic, you probably won't see the difference between 250 and 160 RPM on your timesheet anyway. The real downside, though, is the battery, offering a quite limited capacity. But the fact that this ratchet comes with 2 separate batteries gives an easy way around this problem. All in all, the ACDelco G12 series cordless ratchet is a powerful tool that offers great value for money. It's a little more expensive than the Husky model mentioned above and, thus, might be better suited for automotive technicians. On the other hand, if you are an apprentice and you are lucky enough to have the budget for it, you can be sure it will last you for years to come. At number 2, we have the Husky 12-volt cordless ratchet. Although the name has been around for a while, Husky is now an exclusive in-house brand by Home Depot. Big store chains teaming up with manufacturers to create more affordable products are quite common today. Thus, Husky cordless ratchet proves that tools like these may even compete with devices from more established manufacturers. A short glance at the numbers reveals a maximum torque of 30 feet lbs and output speed going up to 230 RPM. With specs comparable to other class-leading models, this ratchet is more than enough for most users and usual applications. Thanks to the ergonomic and non-slip zone, the middle section provides sufficient grip. Adjusting and maintaining the speed is also quite easy, thanks to the precise variable speed control lever. When it comes to downsides, both battery life and charging time stick out as the most notable ones. Not only does the battery drain rather quickly, but it will also take up to 1.5 hours to fully recharge it. It can be a real drawback when performing constant work for hours on end. Other than that, the Husky cordless ratchet is a well-rounded and capable tool that offers superb value for money. It's especially well suited for beginners looking for a good first cordless ratchet and weekend DIYers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee 245721 M12 cordless ratchet kit. Milwaukee is a famous name in the business, with its cordless impact wrenches being an unavoidable part of most auto repair shops. Taking a share in the growing electric ratchet market segment is a logical step for a firm with such heritage. The Milwaukee M12 cordless ratchet is a capable tool that offers a wide range of applications. With an electric motor that delivers up to 35 feet lbs of torque, it can take on even the most demanding jobs. The maximum speed it produces is 250 RPM, and a variable speed trigger will ensure better control while fastening any fastener you come across. Furthermore, this ratchet comes with a durable M12 battery and a fast 30 minutes charger. The combination of prolonged battery life and short charging times makes it perfect for professionals and heavy-duty applications. Meanwhile, the built-in LED light is helpful when working inside engine bays, as it gives a better overview of the work area. Another useful feature is the precise battery life indicator, providing a clear insight into the remaining battery capacity. However, all products have one or more flaws, and this Milwaukee ratchet wrench is no exception. With a weight that exceeds 4 pounds, this ratchet is among the heaviest on this list. Regardless of this minor downside, the Milwaukee 245721 M12 cordless ratchet is a well-balanced tool capable of tackling all sorts of work. I've said it before, and I will say it again. You simply can't go wrong with Milwaukee's cordless tool lineup. If you work as a professional auto mechanic, this is the one you need.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.